লেকচার ম্যাটার রিট প্রেয়ার লেখার সহজ সূত্র WII ওডাসা উই ওডাসা P equal to উই ওডাসা P equal to WII O D AASA। এখানে P equal to read prayer, W equal to where for capital letter comma, I equal to it is most humbly prayed that your lordships would graciously be pleased to, I equal to issue a rule nishi calling upon the respondents to show cause as to why hyphen small a, O equal to the termination order byte memo number ... dated ... issued by the respondent number 1 terminating the petitioner from his post of Nika register. D equal to should not be declared to have been terminated without lawful authority and is of no legal effect. A equal to small b সমান after hearing the parties and perusing the question if any comma make the rule absolute comma, A equal to and oblique or pass such other or further order or orders as to your lordships may deem fit and proper, full stop. S equal to C pending hearing of the rule your lordships may further be pleased to stay all further operation of the order dated ... A equal to and for this act of kindness your humble petitioner as in duty bound shall ever pray। লেকচার সমাপ্ত।